Nature is beautiful, yet it is mysterious. Mother Nature is patient, yet she is also dreadful sometimes. But perhaps this Mother Nature is the link between all living and non-living beings and the source. Nature is the link of ourselves and the unknown. It is the link between the knowing and the unknowing. Mother Nature is so mysterious, yet it is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. As the water flows in a waterfall, it calms our minds. It relaxes our soul, human soul, which is always open to material stigmas and worldly distractions, could feel its connection to the link. Human soul can find the link to the Creator through nature. By observing the flowing of water, by observing the wind that blows over the trees and the forests, that blows inside and outside of the human body. The air that could be felt by us, around us. The arts, the nature's art, we can feel the warm love of the nature's earth element in the growing barleys, in the growing seeds of the crop field. We can see nature in so many things, and it's the only way to live the final destination, the nature.